Oh wow. Fighting the rain, but then it quit raining. We were able to get quite a bit done. Got the post all set with concrete in here. This is for the uh, electric pedestal. The main power meter and stuff will go on right here. And then I gotta, after I get it filled in with dirt and stuff, I gotta trench in. That's where I gotta trench in over to the foundation, and then trench from that into here too. But Miss Rilla came out today. I should have filmed her doing it. We got the garden in out here, and like all these tomato plants here, they all came out of our garden in town. They were all started with seeds, and it was like too crowded, so she took a bunch out, kind of divided it up a little bit, and brought a bunch out here, and hopefully it'll go good. And then we got, oh, this, don't get bad knees. It ain't good. Luckily my boy and Matt were out here to help again, but now we got all of our piers marked off, holes drilled, rebar cut so we can put it down in there. I gotta go get some epoxy and to seal the rebar into the concrete pads, and then also get like some liquid nails to glue the bricks down and to each other. And then we're gonna pour concrete down there. Matt's got a concrete mixer, so we're gonna put concrete down all the holes, get it all lined up. Tuesday, like I said before, the tile is getting put in because they're bringing the pea gravel for it. I'm gonna have to come out here tomorrow and get that cleaned out a little bit for drainage purposes, so then I can put that tile down after I get a little pea gravel in there, and then just start pushing dirt and stuff back in a little bit. Don't want to do a lot because I want them to realize they can't, I don't want them to try to drive onto that. So that's a big thing. And then sink in because it won't be compacted down. But I gotta clean that out a little bit too, so then I can put gravel in there. A lot to do. There's still a lot to do. But it's taking me a lot longer because it hurt the knees, and that's just the way it is. Yeah, we don't have water out here right now, so I don't have anything to water the garden with, so I had to fill a couple coolers full of water so we can dip milk jugs in the cooler with water and get it filled up, and then go and water the plants in the garden. So, and while we were here, there's been all kinds of rabbits. There was deer down there just grazing along while we were up here working, grinding on the rebar, drilling the holes in the concrete pads. So that's what we want. We want to be out in the country where we can see animals and nature. So folks, Iowa Tiny House Adventures may not be doing everything right, but we're getting it done. We're overdoing a lot of things. Like I was told, oh, you don't need to put tar on that. Well, I don't want it leaking, so yeah, put tar on it. And just a lot of stuff I didn't take into account when we first started this project on how long it would take to do some of it, which I kind of figured it'd take longer, and how much it cost. But we're still all right on the budget because luckily Matt and my youngest boy has been helping. So thank you for watching Iowa Tiny House Adventures. Don't forget to like and share and follow us, and we'll see you on the next video.